My first impression coming to the school was just wow. You know, there's the sprawling mountains, the old architecture is super cool. I get to live here and I also get to learn here. Living on campus here has been a great experience because it's brought a lot of responsibility into my life. The freedom that we have and just the accessibility of a lot of the facilities, because in my free time I'm able to practice the piano and do a lot of learning on my own outside of the cool things that we do here. So one of my favorite things for sure is the way we can learn about, you know, the standard topics like English and math and science through these new angles. Last term I took Literature of the American West, and so we were able to learn about English, and that was really interesting. The hands-on learning is really great because I think it exposes me to things that I wouldn't have done otherwise, like blacksmithing and silversmithing. One project that I had a lot of fun working on was for a whole week we focused on archery and bow making, and from classes like that I've definitely learned things like patience. The student-teacher ratio is just amazing. You get more one-on-one time and we're able to get a lot of independent feedback from the teacher. Based on what I want to do, we're able to build my academic path around what my end goal is and really make sure that I can get there quickly. One of my favorite things about interacting with the teachers, I get to spend time with them as student and teacher, but they also become my mentors and friends outside of class. I really like the community service program because I get to contribute to this big community and I see the people that I'm helping out. And so what I really like is that you really feel like you're at a place that you can call home and that I belonged here.